In this video, I'm going to talk about an important tool for signing documents named as DocuSign. So DocuSign is a e-signature capability signing tool which allows you to sign on a document. Now, the document can be a template made out of contract, or it can be some agreement, or it can be some legal binding document which needs signed from both the parties or one of the party or multiple parties. So those all things can be accomplished using DocuSign. Now, some of the features of DocuSign are you can do a custom branding of your organization on the agreement template. You can have a reusable template provisioned. Um, you can have your own power forms to collect the data. You can view the audit trails on how the signature has been progressed from one signer to another. uh, you can retain the document for n number of years based on the compliance set within your uh, local authority. You can have a set of envelope which contains numerous documents, signed, unsigned, addendum, auxiliary documents, those sort of things. And also you can have an open API integration with to connect to different systems. So DocuSign provides a numerous API through which you can connect to the interface and perform some actions, some CRUD related actions. Uh, DocuSign provides a rich set of reporting as well to track how the signature workflow has progressed, and it will give you a nice bunch of like on-demand reports be categorized based on the functionality. Now the signing is responsive, so that means it works on multiple browsers as well as it works on different devices like tablet, mobile, and it's pretty seamless. Now let me show you something in action. So from a DocuSign perspective, like if you see here, now you can navigate to DocuSign.com, and one of their product is electronic signature. So it's basically a signature we can take from the customer. You can improve your customer's experience by providing them an e-interface. Those experiences can be customized based on the uh, logos and the colors scheme within your organization's branding template. So you can do that, and at the same time you can put some conditions around on how the signing should proceed based on some if conditions, and then you can route to specific teams. So it is secured, it is fully compliant with various rules. It can like it basically allows you to use the platform with different modes of communication, like not only email, but then it can work with SMS. Yeah, and it also provides web forms. If you do not have any web form interface within your application, then you can use the DocuSign web form application. Now for me, let's assume like in your organization you have one document template like how you have over here, like the software delivery agreement. Now this I have just made it up. Now what if you have this agreement which is like a maybe a 10 page agreement or 50-page agreement, and then you want a signature of your customer? Okay, then how will you accomplish that? What you can do is, like, first thing first, you need to log into DocuSign. Okay, you need to have their account and you need to buy their plan for e-signature. And once you're done with it, you can start creating the templates. Okay, so let me create one template for now. I'll create one template. I'll call it as, say, software agreement, and I need, say, signature from various parties. Okay, fill in the template name and the template description, and then I'll upload the document. Now the document which I just showed you, now I'm going to upload this document. So this is basically a Word document, plain simple Word document. I need to close this document before I use it, so let me close this. I've closed the document, and I can see that the document is now currently being uploaded. So this is that document. I can view the document as well. So this is how the document looks like, and I would expect a signature somewhere here. Okay, this part. I'll close this. Other part, what we can do, we can add a recipient. Okay, now here I can put a role, put a name. The name has already come because I've been the user for this particular DocuSign application, and I can put my email address as well. Okay, so let me put my name, my email address, and that's it. Okay, so I'll just call it as agreement admin. Okay, the role, it can be anything. Now we can add multiple recipients and we can send a document. Okay, so because this document is going to go through an email, so I will put an email subject complete with documents by. So let me customize this message. Okay, and in the email message I'll say Girish Uppal wants the signature ASAP post review. Okay, so some sort of text on your email message and the email subject line. And once you're done with it, just click on next. Now what you have done, you have created a template, you have attached the document, and you have put a recipient. Now where do you want the signature? So now you will be given some canvas to put down the signature. So like say if I want to put some signature here, I can drag this component over here. If I want initial as well, I'll put initial maybe over here, and I can put stamp, a date signed. So let me put date signed as well somewhere below here. Okay, so this is how the my e-sign document should look like. Okay, and I can put other fields as well, but I'm not going to put that now. Let me save and close. Now this document is ready, and I can now use this document. So this is a software agreement document which I have just created. Okay, and let me show you how to edit this. I can click here, I can click on edit. Okay, and I can edit the template name, description, documents, recipients. I can, again, it's the same screen. I can edit if I want to do further actions on it. Okay, and then I can click on next, and then I can again go through this navigational standard fields for signature and for putting initials. Okay, I'll just save and close. Okay, now this is my basically a template over here, and I can use this to send across to various party. So if I click on use over here, then I have created an instance of it, and I'll say okay, now I want this document to be sent. Okay, so I'll click on send. Now what happens once I send this document, it says your document is on its way. So if I log into my email address, I should receive an email which I've already received over here, and I will receive an email which will say, hey, Girish Uppal wants a signature. This is the email body which we have put, and this is the text which we have put to review and sign. Okay, and this is the subject line of the email. Now if I click on review document, I will be redirected to the DocuSign website to sign the document. Now this is how the document will look like. Now if I click on here, if I click on start, okay, it will tell me to sign here. Now if I click here, it will automatically pick my sign. Okay, now I can change the sign. If I don't want this sign, I can add my own signature, or maybe I can select some different styles. Okay, now here I can change the style. So if I want something fancy, I'll just select this, and I'll say adopt and sign. Okay, are you sure you want to replace the signature? I'll say yes, replace it. So now this sign is there. Now if I want to click on initials, click on initial, and then it will say that now my document is ready to finish. Okay, if I click on finish, what may happen is this document will be now electronically signed. Okay, so you will receive an email copy soon. So I'll also receive an email copy over a period of time. However, if you go into DocuSign, and if you go to say templates, and you will see that you have triggered the software agreement template. And under reports, you will be able to see a whole bunch of reports which has been we have been used to see the user activity report. So you can see the group activity report, you can see the template usage report. So if I see the usage activity report and if I click on run report, it will show me that these many envelopes were sent and these many envelopes were completed. So it gives you a bit of statistics around how the uh, reports were, how the signatures were sent across to various users and what are the status of it. Okay, so that's it, folks. This is all about DocuSign e-signature application to e-sign your document, e-sign your contract, agreements, etc. Thanks for watching.